Tired of low conversion rates on your HubSpot landing pages? Let's supercharge them by embedding your stellar Trustpilot reviews directly onto your HubSpot landing page. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to Marketing, then Website, and finally, Landing Pages. Find the landing page you want to enhance and click Edit. Now, hop over to your Trustpilot business account. You'll need to generate an embed code. The exact method varies slightly depending on your Trustpilot plan, but generally, you'll find it in the Marketing Tools or Integration section. Look for options related to website widgets or embedding reviews. Customize the widget to match your brand. Choose the design, number of reviews, and any filtering options you want. Once you're happy with the look, copy the generated HTML embed code. Return to your HubSpot landing page editor. Look for the Insert or Add option. In the left sidebar, find the HTML or embed code module and drag it onto your landing page where you want your reviews to appear. Click the module and paste the Trustpilot embed code into the provided box. Click Save or Update and preview your landing page. You should now see your Trustpilot reviews beautifully displayed. See how those shining reviews build trust and boost conversions, turning visitors into happy customers.